Hi, this is Trading Fives. For the past week or so, if you've seen any of the prior videos, we've been mining the Equihash coins with our NVIDIA cards, primarily Zencash. And we started that over here when Zencash was improving the price level at a much faster rate than Bitcoin, and we were converting Zencash into Bitcoin at MiningPoolHub. That advantage has disappeared over the last few days as Bitcoin has caught up, and now they're both running together. So there's no material advantage in the exchange rate between Zencash and Bitcoin. So what we've done is, instead of exchanging every day or every couple days to Bitcoin, we're now exchanging to Litecoin, because there's still an exchange advantage. And if we look at Litecoin on its own, this is the Ichimoku cloud chart. We can see that Litecoin has managed to come off the bottom, but now it's run into the cloud, still has a relatively dark future, and is stuck in this trading range. But it's not going down. And that's really pretty much the best we can say of it. The daily chart pretty much confirms the view. But if we look at a 5-minute chart, we can do a neat trick here with the Point&Figure chart. And with Point&Figure charts, if you can identify a base, a bottom base, or a topping formation, you can do a count. So we're going to count the number of columns in this basing formation, which we're extending from here to here. So we want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 columns, so let's pull up the calculator. Okay, there are 9 columns times the 3-point reversal, that gives us 27. Times the box size, which is 0.183, and that gives us the 4.9 points. Now we're going to add that to the base, which is about 143.7. And that gives us an upside target of about 148.6. Which is about the top of this range. So we can see that the 5-minute chart ran down from above 150 to 144, 143 or so, but it's heading back up. So right now we're expecting Litecoin to run back up to the top of this little range. So for the next few hours at least, Litecoin looks okay. And if we go to our mining tools chart, we'll recalc this for the AMD cards. And as usual, Ethereum almost always gives you the best dollar return daily, and also the best mining efficiency, because in this column, kilowatt hours for BTC, we measure how many kilowatt hours it would take at the current exchange rates to mine one whole Bitcoin. For the NVIDIA cards, and we'll just throw up 3 1060s here. For the NVIDIA cards, it's almost always the Equihash algorithm. Although it can be Ethereum, but it's almost always the Equihash algorithm. And Zencash and Zcash are the best of breed for the Equihash algorithm. So at the moment, we can mine Zencash or Zcash, or in MiningPoolHub, you can set up an algorithm or a mining plan that will just mine these 4 Equihash coins, depending on what's most profitable at the moment. And we've been kind of experimenting with that. I think when it swaps too much, I think you tend to lose out a little bit. But that's where we're at right now. We're exchanging our Zencash and other Equihash coins for Litecoin because the exchange rate is advantageous, and because we're not really expecting Litecoin to get much below 142, 143 for the next several hours, if not days. So, hope this was useful.